In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book recurring meeting in Calendly. If you've ever wanted to offer a series of specific dates, like every Tuesday for the next 8 weeks, Calendly can do that using date-specific availability. It's a great way to control exactly when people can book without changing your entire weekly schedule. Start by logging into your Calendly account. From your dashboard, open the event type you want to use or create a new one if you prefer to keep these times separate. Choosing a fresh event type can make it easier to manage, but either approach works. Once you're inside the event setup, head to Scheduling Settings. This is where you define when this event can be booked. By default, Calendly uses standard weekly hours, which repeat every week. For a limited run of dates, you'll want to remove or turn off those weekly hours so they don't appear on your booking page. You can either delete the default time blocks or set those days to unavailable. This ensures only the dates you intentionally add will show up. Now switch to the option for date-specific hours. Click Add Date-Specific Hours and select the exact dates you want. For example, choose each Tuesday for the next 8 weeks. You can navigate the calendar quickly, clicking each Tuesday as you go. After you've selected the dates, set the time window you want for those days, such as 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. Calendly will apply that same time range to every date you selected. If you need different times for a particular date, you can adjust that individual day after it's added. You can also add multiple time blocks on the same date if you want to split the availability, and it's a good idea to double check your time zone at the top to make sure everything aligns with your schedule. A quick note on how this works. Date-specific hours create a curated set of available slots across the dates you picked. Invitees will book individual appointments from that pool. They won't automatically reserve every date in the series at once. If you want people to attend all sessions, mention that in your event description or confirmation message. When you're happy with the dates and times, click Save to apply your changes and save the event type. That's it. Your event will now display only the selected dates and time slots, and any connected calendars will still prevent conflicts. If you ever need to extend the series or change a date, return to Scheduling Settings, adjust the date-specific hours, and save again.